Hi, I'm Chad with Allstate's Home Improvement. I'm out here in West Wichita at Mike and Leslie's home. Mike and Leslie just recently purchased a new bath remodel shower system from us. And the reason for that is, as traditional homes built in the 1990s, like this home, they had an oversized jacuzzi tub, kind of a triangular shape, and they wouldn't increase their space or the wet space area. And so they elected for us to remove the fiberglass unit that was there and go back with a new customized tile design shower system, about 60 inches in width by about 36 inches in depth. And it's changed how they live in their bathroom. In addition, they wanted to modernize their space with the bathroom remodel. We knocked out some of the shower space wall on the west side of the home and created some space for a transom window. And it did two things. It increased gave some aesthetic value to the living space. At the same time, it allows more natural light to come in. They've been very pleased with the process, the system, and the installation.